Hello, this is Devon and this is our ultrasonic carving machine, and let me show you how to adjust the machine. First, this is a machine accessory for the ultrasonic carving. This is the carving horn, and this is the abscess, and this is for solder, and the liquid to use, and some other tool. And this is a carving horn. This is ultrasonic generator. And here, this is the pump for the machine and contact here. And here, this is for the core fan. See, for top here, for the fan here. And here is a power outlet to your local socket like this. And now we put the carving horn on, and then we turn on the machine. And this is switch for the pump there, and you need to put in a water tank, and you click here, and you see the pump works. Yeah. And this is for the ultrasonic generator. If the machine works like this, it's not working. It's not working. Went without a light, and there's energy like this, like 10%. It's working like this. See? No light, and there's 10% around. It's working. If it's working like this, it's not working. You need to adjust. You can turn to other level, 4 level, and turn on the machine. In this condition, it works. And when you change from 4 to another level, like this, you need to turn off the machine first, and then do like this. Turn off the machine and change the strong level.